I purchased this Casio for less than 10 bucks. How good can it be? Let's find out. Welcome to the Watch Closet. I'm COE33, Co for short, and guys, I think it's safe to say that I'm cuckoo for watches. If you enjoy watch collecting content as much as I do, help me grow this channel and appease those algorithm overlords by subscribing and ever so gently polishing that like button. Before we get into the unboxing, let's do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing a micro brand Chronologia, and I actually got this from the Watch Gang subscription box back in the day. And I thought, yeah, this is a keeper. I'll hold on to this one. It's got that kind of carbon fiber dial there, this really sturdy, comfortable strap, automatic movement, and that funky colorway. All right, unboxing time. Okay, if you guys remember about, I don't know, it's probably been a couple months now. I did a video where I went to my local Walmart and I bought a bunch of clearance Casio and Timex watches. And this was one of the watches from that haul. And I have not opened or worn this yet, except for that one video. I did open it in the video, but I actually haven't done a full unboxing, and I have not worn it. It hasn't had any wrist time yet. So this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of one of those watches that I got on clearance. And let's see, what do we got here? Okay, Casio timepiece technology, kind of a standard box here from Casio. If you go into a Walmart, you're going to see a bunch of these, made in China, model number, all that good stuff. It's not a toy. Yeah, no shit. Okay, so we take that off, and we don't need that. Get rid of that. Okay, and you can see right there, clearance, $9.50, normally $39.92, so a heck of a deal. And right off the bat, for less than $10 on clearance at Walmart, gosh, is this a winner, guys? I mean, that's a pretty nice looking Casio, huh? So I really like the colorway that we see here. I like those big Arabic numerals. I like the detail pattern work on the dial. You have those lateral lines running across the dial there. Gives it some nice sense of depth. You've got that small little date window at the 3 o'clock. And yeah, first impressions are pretty strong of this. So you can see the clearance sticker there. And then, of course, you have this little inner thingamabobber there. It's kind of taped on there. And then you have some information here. A little booklet. And look how big these booklets are. Jeez. Module number 53330. Blah, blah. What the hell? Look at this. What a waste. Who needs that? We don't. Okay. And then, of course, you have this watch on the pillow. Can I get it off? Yeah, okay, there we go. We don't need that. Okay, get rid of all this crap. Who needs any of this? Okay, and then of course we have a pillow, but we don't need that. Okay, there we go. So now we're just left with the watch. That's all anyone cares about, right? Of course, a little crown guard there. Let's pop that bad boy off. Now, sometimes this is gonna be a pain in the butt to get off, but there we go. Okay, we got it. We don't need that. Okay, now there's the watch, and yeah, this is a good looking Casio. Gosh, it's hard to, for less than $10, kind of hard to beat this. Okay, now it's plastic Casio on the buckle there, plastic tang. That's never the greatest, but in the price point, it's acceptable. Do we have a signed crown? No, non-signed crown, simple stainless case back, some basic text there, Casio, and then it talks about the movement there, the stainless steel, the water resistance rating, the Japanese movement, and made in China, all that good stuff. Screw down case back. And then let's get a real nice look at this dial. I feel like this is the winner. This is a solar powered watch, which I actually really enjoy solar powered watches. It's got a water resistance of 100 meters. You can see that there at the 6 o'clock. I like that handset, that nice red seconds hand. Those loom filled, large handsets there that I quite like. Kind of an interesting shape. I guess those would be considered sword style handsets, but that one, the hour hand, it's kind of a broadsword, I guess you could say. And then, of course, Casio quartz, and then you have all those Arabic numerals, and then you have a non-clicking bezel. So that's a little funky, huh? When you have these bezels, it's kind of free spin. They don't actually click. I do love a clicking bezel. But you know what? You don't have any problems with it lining up, right? Because there's no like spots for it to fall into. So At least it has a rotating bezel, so it adds a little functionality to the overall watch. And yeah, guys, pretty cool. So let's throw this on the wrist and see how it wears. All right, here it is on my 6.75-inch wrist, and I like it. It's a big watch, but boy, that looks good. It fits good. It's nice on the wrist. It feels good. And I've got it to the fourth from last hole. So if that helps you out for whatever your wrist size might be, I think this will accommodate a large variety of wrist sizes. So whether you have a big honking wrist or a smaller, slimmer wrist, you'll be good. It's got that bolstering there on that strap, which I like quite a bit. It kind of has G-Shock vibes and also helps with the shock absorption. So that's very cool. And yeah, it definitely makes a statement. It's a prominent watch on the wrist. I love that gold tone bezel. Super cool. All in all, guys, I think this is a winner for less than 10 bucks. Like I said, kind of hard to beat. All right, that's my unboxing of this very cool solar-powered Casio watch. What do you think of it? Good purchase for less than 10 bucks? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm posting new videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can count on that. It's like clockwork. Follow me with my watch collecting adventures over on Instagram at Cuckoo for Watches. I'm live streaming on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow me over there for wrist checks and retro gaming at COE33. And if you're enjoying the content, be sure to watch this video of me sharing all the cheapest watches from Walmart.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.